Today I'm going to show you how to clean your E90's battery bay. So first start off by unbolting your little crossbar here. There's just going to be two bolts here. I've already removed them, so we can take that off. Now grab your 10mm socket and loosen your negative terminal right here. Don't remove the nut because it's just a little tensioner right here. So once you've got that removed, you're going to grab a little screwdriver and pull out these two connectors right here. Just press down right here and pull out. Now that that's out, we can flip up this cap, and it's going to be a 13mm socket. Just remove that with your 13mm and disconnect. Now you can flip up this cap right here and remove the other 13mm nut, just like that. With these two gone, you can now lift your distributor. It's just going to be clipped onto the bottom of the battery. So what you're going to do is slide your hand down here, pull on the clip, and lift up. Now that your distributor is out, you're going to lift up this cap right here, and that's going to be your positive terminal. That's another 10mm. You're just going to loosen that. Same thing as the negative terminal, and lift. Now, I hear a lot of people complaining about their airbag sensor, and that's just going to be this connector right here. How you remove this is you're going to go in with your little screwdriver and just pry this lock back to unlock it. There we go. And now we can just pull this out. Now the battery is ready to be removed. I'm just going to lift it up. And one thing I forgot is there's this little metal bracket that centers your battery in the bay, and that's just going to be another 10mm, and you can remove the screw before removing the battery if it troubles you. And now that we have removed the battery, you can actually see that there are two drain plugs right here and right here. Now these can be accessed from underneath the car. So what I did was I went ahead and removed my splash guard, which is quite simple, so I'm not going to go into detail, but in a nutshell, go to the rear wheel bay and take out this 8mm right here, and then do more all around the edge. And then there's going to be two 10mm right here and right here. And once you've removed those, you can just pull out your splash guard, and at the bottom of your battery bay, you'll see your two drain plugs. Now you're just going to grab your pry tool and remove those two. Now that I've removed the drain plug, you can see that The liquid from the battery bay is now coming out. Now the thing with these drain plugs is they're quite fragile, so if they break, you can probably just put a grommet there if you want to stop water from splashing inside. But now I'm just going to go ahead and remove the other drain plug. Now that the other drain plug is out, the liquid's almost fully drained, we can just go through here with a rag, and then we can clean up our distributor. And to take this apart, you're just going to find these two tabs right here and right here, and you're just going to pry the outer piece outwards. Just like that. And on the inside, there's just this little metal piece. You can take it out if you want, just like that. And then we can go around here with a rag. Pretty simple. And yeah, that's it. That's how you clean your battery bay on your E90.